The truth about Playboy Gianluca Vacchi's manufacturing company. Let's get right into it. Playboy Gianluca Vacchi is a well-known Italian entrepreneur, social media influencer, and DJ who has gained immense popularity for his lavish lifestyle and flamboyant personality. He is the founder of the manufacturing company IMA, which is based in Bologna, Italy. Gianluca Vacchi was always destined to have a keen eye for business, having graduated from Studio Rome University in Bologna, Italy with a degree in business and economics. One aspect of his life that has caught the attention of many is his involvement in a manufacturing company. But what is the truth behind Gianluca Vacchi's manufacturing company? Gianluca and the IMA Group. IMA Group is a world-renowned manufacturing company that specializes in the production of packaging machines for the pharmaceutical, food, and beverage industries. The company was founded in Ozzano dell'Emilia, Italy in 1961 by Mr. Alberto Vacchi, the father of Gianluca Vacchi. The company has its headquarters in Bologna, Italy, and has operations in over 80 countries worldwide. IMA is currently a publicly traded company and is listed on the Milan Stock Exchange. Gianluca Vacchi said he went into the family businesses at the age of 25 after finishing his studies in economics and became a member of the board of directors since his father is the founder. Gianluca and his cousin Alberto eventually helped the business go public and still maintain a large ownership stake. IMA employs 5,000 people, roughly half of which work overseas. IMA Group has gone on to become incredibly successful, and through various holding companies, Gianluca owns around 50% of the company and so receives dividend payouts each year valued at around $50 million, which contribute to his wealth. The company's market cap is over $3 billion. IMA generates over $1 billion in annual revenue and around $100 million per year in profit between several holding companies. Assuming $100 million per tax in profits, that would mean Gianluca receives around $50 million per year in pre-tax dividend distributions. However, Gianluca Vacchi's relationship with the IMA has been controversial. In 2017, Gianluca Vacchi was sued by the company's shareholders for mismanagement of funds. The shareholders alleged that Gianluca Vacchi had used company funds to finance his lavish lifestyle and had failed to disclose his personal business interests to the board of directors. The lawsuit was settled out of court, and Gianluca Vacchi stepped down from the board of directors. Some experts believe that Gianluca Vacchi's social media presence and celebrity status have helped to increase the company's brand awareness and attract new customers. However, others argue that Gianluca Vacchi's involvement in the company has been a distraction and has taken away from the company's focus on innovation and product development. He set out on his own path in business at 29. He said he decided to become a shareholder instead and went into private equity, buying and selling companies in different sectors. And at one point, he had his fingers in pies across 12 or 13 different sectors. Gianluca founded Toy Watch. But the good news is that he also founded a watch company called Toy Watch. The company was originally founded in 2005 by Marco Mavilla and Mara Poletti, a close friend of Vacchi's, and initially gained popularity for its colorful and oversized watches that were often seen on the wrists of celebrities and fashion-conscious individuals. In 2006, the entrepreneur Gianluca Vacchi, impressed by the first models on the market, decided to become part of the company, buying a 50% share. Then he publicly announced his investment in Toy Watch, and he became the company's ambassador and creative director. His association with the brand quickly drew attention, and Toy Watch gained increased visibility, with Vacchi actively promoting the brand on his social media platforms, which saw significant growth in its first year. However, despite the glitz and glamour associated with Vacchi and Toy Watch, the truth about the company's manufacturing practices has been the subject of controversy and scrutiny. Several reports and investigations have shed light on the reality behind the manufacturing process of Toy Watch wristwatches. One of the main concerns raised about Toy Watch manufacturing practices is the claim of being made in Italy. The brand portrays a luxurious and high-end image, and the Made in Italy label is often associated with craftsmanship, quality, and authenticity. However, investigations have revealed that Toy Watch watches are not entirely manufactured in Italy as claimed. Reports indicate that the watches are assembled in China using Chinese-made components and then shipped to Italy for final assembly, packaging, and labeling. This practice allows the company to take advantage of lower labor costs in China while still benefiting from the perception of being a luxury Italian brand. This has raised questions about the authenticity and quality of Toy Watch's products, as the Made in Italy label is often associated with craftsmanship, quality, and authenticity. In addition to the manufacturing location, the environmental impact of Toy Watch products has also been a subject of concern. Reports indicate that Toy Watch watches are made from plastic materials which are known to have a significant environmental footprint. The production of plastic is associated with issues such as pollution, deforestation, and carbon emissions, contributing to the global plastic waste crisis. Critics argue that for a brand that claims to be luxurious and high-end, the use of plastic materials in its products raises questions about its commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Furthermore, there have been allegations of poor working conditions and labor rights violations in the manufacturing process of Toy Watch wristwatches. Reports have surfaced about low wages, long working hours, and the lack of proper labor protections for workers involved in the production of the watches in China. After all these controversies and the growth of Toy Watch, once this growth had been achieved, he sold the company. Gianluca is now a retired entrepreneur and has decided to enjoy freedom and lifestyle, with him saying, "People are interested in other people's life and I'm ready to show them more." Thanks for watching.